Hey everyone, this is Bhargav Suthar, and today we will start a new topic, relations. Now, in this session, we will discuss what is a relation, what is a relation matrix, how to construct a relation matrix, and how to construct a diagram. So first, let's understand what is a relation. Now, let capital A and B be two sets. Okay, uh, a binary relation or simply a relation from A to B, it is a subset of A cross B. Now we all know that what is A cross B. In case you don't know, then I will provide the link in the I button. So it is a subset of the Cartesian product A cross B. Suppose capital R, it is a relation from A to B. Then R is a set of ordered pairs where each element comes from A and each first element comes from A and each second element comes from B. That is, for each pair, small a belongs to A and small b belongs to B. And exactly one of the following is true. The first one, this ordered pair AB belongs to R. R, that is a relation. Now we say that A is R related to B, and it is written as like this, A R B. So it means that A is related to B or A is R related to B. And second, AB does not belongs to R. Then we say that A is not R related to B, and it is written as A this not R and B. So relation, it is a subset of A cross B, subset of Cartesian product of two sets. Now, if R, it is a relation from A to itself, so that means the second set is same as one as the first one. So that is R, it is a subset of A square. So that means A cross A because both sets are same. Then we say that capital R is a relation on A. Now let us discuss what is domain and range of a relation. Again, let capital A and capital B be two sets. R be a relation from A to B. And what does that mean? It means that R, that means a relation, it is a subset of A cross B. That is, yes, R, it is a subset of A cross B. And R can be written as set of all those elements. That means set of all ordered pairs like this AB such that the first element comes from capital A first set and second element comes from capital B second set. So this is the ordered pair AB where A belongs to A and B belongs to B. Now the set of all first coordinates of R is known as domain of R. So that means whenever we combine all these first coordinates, that means A, and it is a domain of R. And in similar manner, whenever we combine all the second coordinates of R, and that is known as range of R. So the set of all second coordinates of R, that means a relation, is known as range of R. Let us discuss examples. First one, let capital A, the set is given as 1 to up to 19, 20. So there are 20 elements, and R, the relation is defined as, this is the roster method, set of all xy such that x equals to 3y. So this is the condition. So then what will be R? Here see, it is the ordered pair xy where x equals to 3y. So that means here only one set is given. So it is a relation from A to A. So that means the second set is A itself. Now, how to write these relations? So it is the ordered pair and we have condition x equals to 3y. So that means x is dependent on y. So whenever we choose y, x gives same as the given condition. So here the elements are 1 to 20. The first take 1. So what is x? It is 3 times whatever we have taken y. So 1 3. Same way, just start with the first element. So this will be 1 3 or 3 1. So that means y coordinate is 1 and x coordinate depends on y. So that means 3 1. Now second here, take 2. So just 3 times of 2, that is 6. So that means 6 2. Now third coordinate. That means 3 and third 3 times of 3, that is 9. Now same way 4 and 3 times of 4, that is 12. Now 5, then 15, 6 and 18. Now here the elements are up to 20, but whenever we take y equals 7, its third time or three times will be 21, but that is not in the given set. So this is the relation. After this, no elements will be there. So this is R. Now let's discuss second example. Let A equals to 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay, and the relation is given as set of all xy such that, see, this notation is divides, so x divides by, it is called as x divides. Okay, then what will be the relation? See, here we have four elements. Now it is the ordered pair such that x divides by. Now first we will write the elements. See, 2 divides itself because here the set is A and also B is also same as A. So 2 divides 2, so that means 2 will be there. Now in the same way, we'll take all the elements. So 3, 3, that means 3 divides 3, yes. 5 divides 5, so that means 5, 5. 6 divides 6, so that means 6, 6. Now second, now 2 does not divide 3. Now 2 does not divide 5, and 2 divides 6, so 2, 6 will be there. So the job of 2 is done. Now for 3, 3 does not divide 5, so 3, 5 pair won't be there. Now 3 divides 6, so 3 divides 6. And last, 5 does not divide 6, so that's it. So there will be 6 elements in the relation. So I hope you understand what is a relation. It is a subset of the Cartesian product of 2, A cross B. Now let us discuss what is a relation matrix. Let capital A, the elements are A1, A2 up to AN, and capital B, the elements are B1, B2 up to Bn. Both are finite sets containing n and m elements respectively. A contains n elements and B contains m elements. Then we know that the Cartesian product A cross B will contain n cross m elements. So suppose A has 5 elements and B has 10 elements, so A cross B will contain 50 elements. Let R be a relation from A to B. Then it is obvious that relation is a subset of A cross B by definition. To represent this relation as a matrix known as relation matrix, and its notation is MR, capital M, and R stands for relation. And it will be like this. This is the entries Mij. Now 1 whenever AI is related to Bj, and 0 whenever AI is not related to Bj. So only two entries will be there, either 1 or 0. 1 whenever both are related, and 0 whenever both are not related. We will discuss this in example, how to construct a matrix or how to construct a relation matrix to be precise. Let us discuss example. First, we have given two sets. A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and B 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. Now, the condition is given A is related to B if and only if B equals to A square. Then find the relation matrix. So see here, to find the relation matrix, first of all, we must have a relation. And for relation, the condition is given. So first we will write what is the relation, and then we will construct a relation matrix. So the relation will be, see, the condition is B equals to A square. So again, here the second coordinate is dependent on first. Now first, B equals to A square. Now see, 1 equals to 1 square. So 1, 1 pair will be there. Here the two sets are different. So we will have to check both sets. Now for B equals to A square. So B equals to 2. So just put 2. So it will be 2, 4. Now B equals to A square. That means second coordinate is A square. So if we take 2, so it will be 2, and B equals to its square. So here it is 2, 4. Now third coordinate is 3. So let us take 3, and B is its square. So 3, 9 pair will be there. Now if we take 4, then its square will be 16, but it is not in this set. So that's it. In relation, there will be only 3 elements. So see, however, here 4 elements are there, here 5 elements are there. So in A cross B, there will be 20 elements, but in a relation, there are only 3 elements. So it is a subset of A cross B. Now, this will be the matrix. How? In set A, how many entries are there? There are 4 entries. So in matrix, there will be 4 rows. Okay, clear? Here, again, I'm repeating. Here, there are 4 entries. So in matrix, there will be 4 rows. In first, according to first set. Now, in second set, there are total 5 entries. So 5 columns will be there. Now this row represents 1, this row represents 2, this row represents 3, and this row represents 4. And here, this column represents 1, this column represents the second coding, that means 4, this represents 6, this represents 8, and this represents 9. Now the relation is 1, 1. That means the entries are 1 and 0, 1 whenever both are related. So here the relation is 1, 1. So 1 is related to 1, so this entry will be 1. Now 2, 4. So for 2, the second row, and for 4, 4 means second column. So this entry will be 1. And 3, 9. So that means third row, 3 is for third row, and 9, fifth column. So this entry will be 1, and rest entries are 0 because they are not related to each other according to the given relation. So that's it. So this is how we can construct relation matrix. Let us discuss another example. A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and B is same as A. Now A is related to B if and only A divides B, then find the relation matrix. Now this will be easy. Now first, what will be the relation? Now A divides B. Now first, see, each and every element divides itself. So 5 entries will be obvious. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 6, 6. So these 5 entries are obvious. Now just take 1. And now 1 divides 2. So 1, 2. 1 divides 3. So 1, 3. 1 divides 4. So 1, 4. And 1 divides 6. So 1, 6. So up to this we have done. Now consider 2. Now 2 does not divide 3. So that entry won't be there. Now 2 divides 4. So 2 divides 4. Now 2 divides 6. Yes. So 2, 6 will be there. Now come to 3. Now 3 divides 4. No, 3 does not divide 4. So that entry will not be there. Now 3 divides 6. Yes. So 3, 6. Now 4 does not divide 6. No. And that's it. So these many entries will be there. Now how to construct relation matrix? Now here total 5 entries are there and both the sets are same. So 5 rows and 5 columns will be there like this. Now this row represents 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and this column represents 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Now 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 6, 6. So that means all the diagonal entries will be 1. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now for this, 1 is related to each and every one. So 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 6. But for 1, this row and the rest are 2, 3, 4, 6. So that means this whole row, this first row will be 1. So up to this we have done the entries. Now 2, 4. So 2 for second row and 4, that means this fourth column. So this entry will be 1. Now 2, 6. So 2 and 6. So this entry will be 1. And last 3, 6. So third row and this last column 3, 6. And rest entries are 0. Okay. Now graphical representation of a relation, and it is also called as diagram. Let capital A be a finite set and capital R be a relation defined on A. And we know that what is a relation? It is a subset of here relation defined on A. That means it is a subset of A cross A or simply A square. Then R can be represented by a graph. It is called diagram or directed graph. Now, the elements of A are represented by circles or points, and these elements are known as nodes or vertices. So, whatever the elements are there, we will just represent it by nodes or circles or points, and they are called as nodes or vertices. And if A is related to A, that means if A is related to itself, then it can be represented by a loop. And if A is related to B, that means both the elements are different, then this can be represented by an arc known as edges. from A to B with an arrow from A to B. We will just see the figure. The first one. See, here we have only 1 point. If this means A is related to A. So whenever A is related to A, just we will draw a loop or a circular type and with the arrow. And second one, here we have 2 points. If A is related to B, so this is an arc with the arrow from A to B. And suppose we have B to A, that means B is related to A. So the same arc, but the direction will be changed. Let us discuss one example. Capital A equals to 1 to 4, 8. Now A is related to B. If and only if this A divides B, then find the diagram of a relation. Okay, so solution. So first we'll write what is a relation. It will be easy. Now see, the relation is A divides B, so that means 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, 4, 8, 8 will be there. This is obvious because 1 divides 1, 2 divides 2, 4 divides 4, and 8 divides 8. Now second, 1 divides 2, 1 divides 4, 1 divides 8. So 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 8 will be there. Same way, 2 divides 4, 2 divides 8. So 2, 4, 2, 8 will be there. And last, 4 divides 8, so 4, 8 will be there. Now here, there are total 4 points. So just each point we will represent it by this type of points. So here 1, 2, 4, and 8. Now this first 4 entries. So 1, 1, that means 1 loop is there. 2, 2. So 1 loop, 8, 8, 1 loop, and 4, 4, 1 loop. Now 1, 2. So that means 1 to 2 with the direction 1, 2. Now 1, 4. So 1 to 4 with the 4 with the direction this. Now 1 to 8. So 1 to 2, 1 to 8 with this direction. Now 2 to 4. So 2 to 4 with this direction. 2 to 8. So 2 to 8 with this direction. And 4, 8, 4. So this will be the graphical representation. Thank you.